What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the Outlander's cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the left-hand side, this item right here is going to be the dampening latch. It's what allows the glove box to open slowly. I'll just get my finger around it like that and pull that off. Now there's two stops that are holding the glove box up. You can see one right there that I'm touching my finger on. And there's another one just like it on this side. So what I'm going to do is push towards the center of the glove box until that stop clears. And you can see the glove box comes down just a little bit. And if you have both your hands free, you can do these both at the same time. But I'll come over here and same thing, pull or push towards the center until that stop clears. And then once both the stops clears, the glove box will come down like that. And it's just resting on these hinges. If the glove box comes all the way off, that's fine. So then taking a look up in here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's this latch on the left-hand side. You can see I'm going to push on this tab with my thumb, and then I'm going to use my other finger to kind of pull off while I'm pushing that tab in. Then once we get the access door off, we can see our actual cabin filter right here. And there's only a few thousand miles on this vehicle. You can see this one doesn't need to be replaced yet. But when you put your new cabin filter in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow arrow. You want your airflow arrow going down towards the floor. So you'll slide your new filter in, again with the airflow arrow going down, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So on the access door, on the one side, there's that tab that we pushed in, and the other side has a tab that looks like that. So what I'll do with that is just tuck that in right there, tuck that in like that, and then it will snap into place. And you may need to kind of push this tab as you're pushing in just to help it lock fully into place. Then I'm just going to pick my glove box up. And if your glove box has come off, it's just resting on these hinges, it'll just push back on those hinges. And it takes a good amount of pressure to push it back on, but you'll hear it and feel it kind of pop back on. So then what I'll do is just pick my glove box up until those stops clear and it holds itself up like that. And then we'll come over here. And the last thing we need to do is reattach this dampening latch. And that'll just push on like that. And that's it. Not too bad. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.